How to allow multiplayer on Microsoft account. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow multiplayer on Microsoft account. First, open your Xbox account with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. Then, click on Xbox Profile. Once you're in your Xbox profile, click on Settings. And then, go to Safety and Privacy. Among the options here, select Manage Safety and Privacy Settings. It will then redirect you to the Microsoft Xbox settings. On the left side options, click Privacy and Online Safety. After that, click on Xbox and Windows 10 devices online safety and make sure that Allow is checked on all these prompts, especially the one that says you can join multiplayer games. If not, click on Allow. And that's it! You've successfully allowed multiplayer on Microsoft account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!